Hi, and welcome to the second video in our Meet Dave series. You're watching this video for one of two reasons. Either you're looking for a way to work from home and earn an income online, or you have an existing business and you're looking to improve your results in terms of sales or commissions. Either way, you're at the right place. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, also hit the bell so you'll be notified when we upload new videos.
If you're watching this video, there's a good chance that you got played and some fat cat CEO or some two-faced politician is sitting around somewhere laughing about it. Because even though the government was supposed to take care of you and the school system was supposed to educate you and your corporate job was supposed to take care of you like you took care of them, as the old saying goes, if you don't look out for yourself, nobody else will. But you trusted them and you got screwed. Our school system and our workforce is broken. Most people never had a chance. Surveys show that most Americans don't even have $1,000 in their bank account. The middle class is dead. Jobs have either been replaced by software or shipped overseas, leaving you either way off or well off. Nearly 18 million students are enrolled at nearly 5,000 colleges around the country, borrowing up to $40,000 a year that they'll be paying off for the rest of their lives. Our society is systematically designed to keep you poor, and it's drilled into your head at a young age. Don't you remember the advice that you received? Be a good little boy or girl. Get good grades. Get a good job. Put money into your retirement account, and you'll be just fine. But the National Institute on Retirement Security reports that most people getting ready to retire have only $3,000 to $12,000 to their name. So what the hell happened? I'll tell you what happened. You got screwed, I got screwed, we all got screwed. We blindly trusted the government, huge corporations and Wall Street fat cats, and we got left holding the bag. Hey, what's up, my friend? This is Dave Sharp, and I'm launching a brand new program where you can duplicate my proven social media and internet marketing strategies to build a business and a lifestyle that you love. There is no better way to make money, have fun, and live an awesome lifestyle with such low overhead and minimal startup cost.